Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our international news. First, the headlines: 10 killed in India wall collapse. Iran proposes ancillary mechanism to Minsk group to help Karabakh settlement. Vietnam rescuers find bodies of all 13 soldiers from two deadly landslides. Now the details. At least 10 people were killed and 5 others injured after a wall collapsed amid rain in India's southern state of Telangana early Wednesday. The incident occurred in Telangana's capital city Hyderabad, which has been hit by incessant rains since Tuesday, reports Xinhua. Hyderabad received unprecedented rains in the last 24 hours. The intensity of rains increased after 6 p.m. and continued through the night. The area where the wall collapsed lies in the old city of Hyderabad, which locally say is a low-lying area. Power supply has been disconnected due to the incessant rain, while many parts of the city have been flooded. TV channels showed cars being washed away in gushing waters, while in water places parked cars were seen fully submerged in water. People spent night on their rooftops as knee-deep water entered their homes. Laxman Yadav, a resident of Hyderabad, said the city has been receiving heavy rains during the first 24 hours. Over the years, the population has increased, many floods touching 10 million, but the local infrastructure remains the same, Yadav told Xinhua over phone. A senior official at the Hyderabad-based Directorate of Enforcement, Vigilance and Disaster Management tweeted, "We are witnessing unprecedented rainfall in the city. A high of 25 cm rainfall has been recorded at Albinagar. Rains are expected to continue for a few more hours." The estate's disaster response force teams are working round the clock trying to normalize the situation. Over 200 complaints have been received and teams are engaged in rescue of citizens, clearing water stagnation, trifles and attending to citizen assistance calls, the local official tweeted. Iran proposes ancillary mechanism to Minsk group to help Karabakh settlement. Foreign Minister Mohammad Javad Zarif tells his Azeri counterpart about a proposal by Iran that forces the Islamic Republic, Turkey and Russia boosting a standing so-called Minsk group that has failed to resolve decades of territorial dispute between Azerbaijan and America. According to Press TV, Zarif made the remarks to Jeyhan Bormi in a phone call on Tuesday that the two were holding over a late September present deadly flare-up between Republic of Azerbaijan and Republic of America over the Karabakh region. The region is internationally recognized as part of Azerbaijan but is populated by Americans and sought after by Americans separatists. Iran has been offering diplomatic intervention and inviting the two sides to exercise restraint since September 27, when the separatists in the region began opening fire on Azeri forces. With hundreds of civilians and armed forces feared death from the two sides, the firefight has proven the deadliest conflict between the two sides since 1992, when Americans invaded the region with airplanes backing and forced Azeris into a retreat. Zarif's offer comes as decades of meditation by the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe (OSCE) Minsk Group, a body formed among Russia, France and the United States to supposedly remedy the conflict, has spectacularly fallen short of the goal. The Iranian foreign minister reiterated the Islamic Republic's principled positions concerning the conflict, insisting on the need of respect of Azerbaijan's territorial integrity. For his part, the Azeri official notified Zoribs about the latest field developments in the conflict. The two top diplomats also stressed the importance and the role of religion initiatives to resolve this decades long crisis.